Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of AskDrAdam. Today we have a special session lined up. I'm here with both the Applications Lab and Analytical Lab Managers at Kyzen to give you an inside look at the incredible resources and expertise they have to offer. We're going to explore how the lab can support your projects and answer your hardest questions. Also, we're going to get some tips and tricks on how to make working with the lab easier and more effective. You don't want to miss it. Stick around. All right, welcome back, everyone. I'm excited to be here with Chelsea Jewell, the Applications Lab Manager here at Kyzen, and Haley Reid, the Analytical Lab Manager here at Kyzen. All right, so Chelsea, thank you for being here with us. Can you tell us a little bit about the things that we do here in the Applications Lab?
Yeah, absolutely. So the main purpose of the Application Lab is to start asking those questions on how to build a process. So we have most of the machines common to our industry, so we can build pretty much any process out and really jumpstart which product we're looking at, what concentration, all of those parameters before, somebody has to change their line or do anything like that.
Very interesting. Now, can you tell us about some of the best practices that the customers might be able to utilize when coming to use these services?
Yeah, absolutely. So in terms of what samples to send in, you always want to pick something that is real world. We can build a process based on a really difficult to clean thing, but applying that back to real world can sometimes pose other challenges. So, real world samples, handling everything with gloves and just as much information as possible to send that over to us.
Awesome. Well, thank you for that information. All right, Haley, can you tell us a little bit about what the Analytical Lab has to offer?
Sure. So one of our main services is actually the bath sample analysis. We help customers benchmark how their samples are from the day one all the way through till the end of the bath life, helping them decide when to change, how to monitor, and really what's going on in their process. So when something changes, we'll be able to help with that. We also offer IC testing, and that is a really big service we offer to help customers both periodically and at the startup of their process.
Okay, very good. Now, can you tell us a little bit about the best practices or maybe some tips and tricks that the customers can use when utilizing those services?
Yep, so bath samples, clean containers. We've seen pickle jars and mayonnaise jars and canned corn jar, So really either a clean water bottle would be the best. You've never drank out of it, you empty that out, or we sell bottles here that they can send in. We also need to know the hours of the bath, what they have, and the target concentration, and we can help benchmark how that's going. IC, don't write on the boards, don't touch the boards, and as clean of bags as possible.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Yep.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching. If you like that content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure to hit that bell icon if you want to be notified of future videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or you can send an email to AskDrAdam@Kyzen.com. And as always,
Stay clean.
you guys are good. Okay, cool. All right, Chelsea, first question for you is, do you know why your chicken coop only has 2 doors?
Why?
Because if it had 4, it'd be chicken sedan.